Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 6 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and to do that press the upper button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called sounds and vibration, or sound and vibration, my bad, and tap on it. And here at the top you will see volume option, select it, and now we can adjust the volume by swiping on the slider. And once you adjust the volume on your watch, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can grab the phone that is paired with our watch. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zepp application. In the app, you will need to tap on device icon. And here you should see your Bip 6 on the device page. Now scroll down and look for the option called device settings and tap on it. And here tap on sound and vibration, of course. And right here we can adjust the volume by swiping on the slider. And then you can close the app. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.